Hello friend, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Digital Study, your true oil wizard. I am SN Hawk and today I will discuss the current affairs with static GK of 6 June. So friend, before starting this, please subscribe this channel and allow all notification to get remind of all my videos. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, let's start. The first question of today. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on which date? So, World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. Everyone should know this. Some information about this. UN General Assembly designed June 5 as World Environment Day in 1972. So, this day is celebrated every year from 1972 during the Stockholm Conference of the Human Environment. The United Nations Environment Programme, that is UNEP, has also founded on the same day during the conference. So UNEP also founded during the Stockholm Conference. Pakistan will host this year and India hosted it in 2018. Very important. The theme for this year is ecosystem restoration. Very important question. So when we will go to the second question of the day. Recently, which company or companies got the tender of P-73I mega submarine? Option A, Lazen and Turbo. Option B, Mezegao Dock Submarine Limited. Option C, both. Option D, none. So the right answer of this question is option C, both. Both L&T, that is Lazen and Turbo, and Mezegao Dock Shipbuilding Limited will jointly develop this. Some information about this. The Defense Ministry cleared the Indian Navy request for proposal RFP for mega submarine tenders with 50,000 under the project P-75 India, that is P-75I. Indian Navy currently has 2 nuclear submarines. They are INS Chakra and INS Arihant, very important, and 15 conventional direct electric submarine. So when third question of the day, which company has become India's largest pharma company? So recently, Pharma Easy has become India's largest pharma company because MedLife is merged with this company. Some information about this. Recently, Pharma Easy acquired MedLife to become India's largest pharma company, and it is one of the world's top online pharmacy app. We will go to the fourth question of the day. Which institution of India has a developed based platform called X-Ray Setu? So recently this platform is developed by IISc Bangalore. Some information about this. It is developed to help in the easy detection of COVID-19 with the help of chest X-ray. X-Ray Setu will operate through WhatsApp. So when a new batch for the aspirant of West Bengal Police Constable and Sub-Inspector has started in this channel. The person who are interested for this can join this batch. So when we will go to the fifth question. Recently, which country hosted BRICS Foreign Minister meeting? So this year, BRICS Foreign Minister meeting is hosted by India. Some information about this. External Affairs Minister of India S. Jaishankar hosted the meeting. The headquarters of BRICS is Shanghai, China. And present there are 5 members. They are Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. So when we will go to the sixth question. Who is appointed as the chairman of WHO Executive Board? So recently, option A, Dr. Patrick Amoth has appointed as the chairman of WHO executive board. Some information about this. Dr. Patrick Amoth is from Kenya. The headquarters of WHO is Geneva, Switzerland. The Director General of WHO is Tedros Adhanom, and it is founded in 7th April 1948. Very important. So when we will go to the 7th question. Recently, who has won Man Booker International Prize? So this year Man Booker International Prize is won by David Diop. So option B, David Diop is the right answer. Some information about this. He is awarded for the translation of the book At Night All Blood is Black. He is the first French writer who got Man Booker International. This prize is given from UK. The prize money of it is £50,000. So when we will go to the 8th and last question of the day. Recently, who has been appointed as the grievance officer for WhatsApp in India? So recently, Paresh Bilal, that is option C, is appointed as the grievance officer for WhatsApp in India. The present CEO of WhatsApp is Will Cathart. Very important. It is established in 2009. The headquarters of WhatsApp is California, USA, and the parent organization of WhatsApp is Facebook. Very important. So when we will go to those questions which I provided you yesterday. Who has become the 11th president of Israel? Isaac Herzog has become the 11th president of Israel. Second question. Which state or union territories has ranked first by SDG index? SDG stands for Sustainable Development Goal Index. The right answer of this question is Kerala. And third question. Who is the present president of Asian Development Bank? The right answer of this question is Masatasuko Asakawa. Very important. So open 3 questions of the day which you will give answer through comment. So let's see who came first. What is the name of the capital of Philippines? Sumit Malik is related to which field? And third question, according to the Center for World University Ranking 2021-22, which institute of India is best? So friend, you will give the answer of this question through comment. So friend, that's all for today. Please like and share this video. And if you are new in this channel, please join in this channel. So friend, that's all for today. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.